Right now, 3 satellites are doing math about you. They are 12,000 miles overhead, moving at 14,000 miles per hour, and quietly solving a geometry problem that ends with a blue dot on your screen. Start with the question your phone is trying to answer. Where am I, exactly, on the surface of the Earth? Not the city, not the street, the precise spot, within a few meters, in real time. The system is called GPS, the Global Positioning System. 31 satellites circle the Earth in 6 orbital planes. From any open spot on the ground, your phone can usually see at least 4 of them in the sky. Each satellite does one simple job. It shouts a radio message that says, "I am satellite number 12. My position is here, and the time on my atomic clock is exactly this." That message repeats over and over, forever. Your phone is not talking back. It is just listening. The GPS chip inside your phone is a quiet radio receiver, tuned to the exact frequency these satellites use. No data plan needed, no cell signal needed, just a clear view of the sky. Here's the trick. Radio waves travel at the speed of light. That is 1 foot every nanosecond. So if your phone knows when the satellite sent the message and when the message arrived, it can multiply that tiny delay by the speed of light. That math gives the phone one number, the distance from the phone to that one satellite, maybe 12,407 miles. Just a distance, not a direction, not yet a location. One number from one satellite. If the only thing you know is that you are exactly 12,000 miles from a satellite, you could be anywhere on a giant invisible sphere around it, anywhere at all. That is way too many places, so one satellite is not enough.